Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get a soundbar for free. During this week, I have seen so many people buying TV without knowing about this offer. First of all, we're gonna click on soundbar, and then we're gonna click on filter. Then select Samsung as the main brand. Here it is. And now we are gonna select this speaker, this soundbar, the one that says $119.99. This is the one that you want. This is the current price at the time of making this video. You're gonna add it to the cart. Now you're gonna see that it's already added to the cart. Then you're just gonna go back. You can now type Samsung 75 inches, or you can go there and hit TVs and projector. And this is the TV that you want right now. But if you don't see it right here, you just go to filter and select Samsung as the main brand and 75 inches, and they're only gonna give you like 7 results, and this is the one that you want to select, $549.99. Once you select it, you can see the price right there again, $549. You're gonna add it to the cart, and the TV has already been added to the cart. Just click on continue to cart, and boom, there it is. Free Samsung soundbar. There are so many people buying the TV only without knowing that they can definitely get a soundbar. But that offer is limited. This offer is going to expire probably today or tomorrow. If it is still available in a few days, just let me know. Just feel free to leave a comment and let me know if it works for you. So let me know if it worked for you. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.